So what makes the Smartboard easy to use? That's simple. It has 3 unique features that help teachers deliver inspiring lessons that engage students in extraordinary ways. Touch recognition, the pen tray, and smart notebook software. What is touch recognition? It's the newest feature in our Smartboard interactive whiteboards. With touch recognition, you can use a pen to write, a finger to navigate, or a palm to erase. Touch recognition lets you automatically switch between ink, touch, and eraser mode, and there are no extra buttons to press or extra tools to pick up.
Writing and erasing is exactly the same. So if you're not familiar with Smartboard, all you have to do is open up Notebook and you can access the same things that you would use either on a whiteboard or a chalkboard.
I think that's part of the intuitiveness that comes with this technology. I know that when I press something or click something, it's going to open up and I can trust it to work properly.
Another unique feature that makes the Smartboard interactive whiteboard easy to use is the pen tray. The pen tray works like a chalkboard. Pick up a black pen and write notes in black. Pick up a blue pen and write notes in blue. Even if the pens go missing, because the technology is in the pen tray and not the pen, you can still keep using the board. And since students can use any tool on the board surface to write, it's accessible for all people.
What's great about the Smartboard is that if the pens go missing, you're able to use other writing tools, the pen feature, the highlighter, as well as other options for writing. You can use your finger as well as a ruler or any other object.
In addition to touch recognition and the pen tray, the Smartboard interactive whiteboard comes with software that has set the standard for how lessons are delivered, created, and managed. Smart Notebook software lets you add interactivity to lessons with a powerful set of education tools and resources.
Excellent.
Whether you're starting from scratch or using one of our ready-made lesson activities, Smart Notebook software's simple interface makes it easy to choose the right tools.
The benefit to Notebook being similar to other programs that the students and myself use is that they already know the layout of the program. The icons and the menu bar are all very similar.
When it comes to the Smartboard interactive whiteboard, our first goal is to make it easy for teachers and for students. We're always looking for ways to help everyone get the most out of classroom technology.
Now that I have the Smartboard in the classroom, the students are way more involved in their own learning.
We think it's worth the effort. Because it's smart, we believe in creating something extraordinary in your classroom, for you and for your students. Smart. Extraordinary made simple.